Hello and welcome to Shortcut Up CNC. Today we're going to talk about a tip. This is going to be tip number 1, and it's about the alignment of the vectors to each other or to the center of the material. Normally we use this icon right here, but I have found that I like to have not want to have to search for it every time I need to align because it's a common tool that's used. So I'd like to have it out somewhere on the screen where I can work with it. They do have a feature here that you can check this little box, and it says show the common tools on the drawing tab. As long as you got this drawing tab open and you save your file or you close VCarve with that open, it'll reopen the same way every time you open up VCarve or Aspire. So let's close this, and there they are right there. All your alignment tools are now on the drawing tab. Of course, they're not on the modeling tab, clip bar tab, layers, or sheet tab. They are on the drawing tab. So if I close, for example, let's save this first. Save this file so I don't have to redraw all these again. I'm going to put it on the desktop. And I'm going to say test 1 file. Okay, it's on the desktop. And we're going to go ahead and close it down. And we're going to say let's reopen, create a new file. Okay, there's all our settings. We'll go ahead and just reopen. There's your drawing tab. And there's your alignment tools. Now, if I wanted to use my same file, it should be saved with all that same information. So let's open up the file from desktop. Test 1, open, and there they are. All the alignment tools are there where you can use them. Now, what I mean of what these alignment tools do is this will align all the alignment to each other. In other words, if I wanted to line this circle inside this hexagon, I would select the circle first, hold the shift key down, select the hexagon, and then I can let go of the shift key and hit this icon here, and it'll center it to the hexagon. Now, I can undo that feature, put it right back, because that may not be what I wanted. I may have wanted something like maybe that right there. That's taking and putting it to the outside of the hexagon. It doesn't necessarily put it on the hexagon. It puts it to the outside edge of the hexagon. Now, if I wanted it to be to the outside of the centered, I can actually click this button right here again, as long as they're both highlighted in the same fashion, and move that to the outside center of the hexagon. So all these alignment tools can be handy on your drawing tab out in the open, rather than having to click on an extra icon to get to what you want. So there's tip number 1, the alignment tools for aligning the objects to the center of the material, which I can give you an example right here. In fact, we'll take and put them all to the center of the material. There you go. They're all lined up to the center of the material. this is your material board right here. So there you have it. Tip number 1, alignment of objects, bringing them out to the outside where they're commonly used on your drawing tab. So thank you for watching Shark Cut Up CNC. Have a good day.